It's Jocelyn, aka Grandbaby Cakes, and today I'm going to share with you one of my absolute favorite side dishes. Can you guess what it is? Yeah, you're right, it's carrots. Good job, you get an A. We are going to be making my honey glazed carrots. If you have a really picky kid at home that doesn't quite like veggies, this is the treat for them. You will get them to eat their entire plate and probably ask for seconds. And the adults won't think this is pretty shabby either. Let me show you how easy this is to make. So to start, we need to steam our veggies. We want them to be nice and tender. So I'm gonna add these to a medium pot, get it boiling over this nice water, and then once it's nice and tender, we'll continue the recipe. So these have been going for about 8 to 10 minutes. They should be pretty tender now. And next I'm gonna actually just drain off this water so we can continue with our recipe. If you wanna test your carrots and make sure that they're tender, just grab a fork and actually just pierce through. And if you can easily get through the center of your carrots, then they're ready to go. So we've drained our carrots. I'm gonna pop them right back into our pot. And then I'm going to add just a few ingredients to start our candied process. I've got some butter and I've got some brown sugar. I've got some orange juice. And I've got that magic ingredient, the honey. And then I've got a little vanilla as well. So now this is gonna cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then we'll be ready to finish these up. So now these are completely candied. I just need to season them up a bit. I'm gonna add some salt and pepper and a little parsley. Our beautiful honey candied carrots are done, and don't they look scrumptious? Pretty scrummy, huh? Scrummy is a mix of scrumptious and yummy. It's a term I just came up with. I'm copywriting it, don't say it. But anywho, I think these deserve a nice try, don't you think? Don't you just wanna dig in, get your veggie on? Absolutely delicious. And they're nice and tender. Oh my God, they just like literally fell apart. Scoop some of this glaze up though. Oh Lord. I'm gonna be like Bugs Bunny, y'all. I'm gonna be eating all the carrots up. You know what I'm saying? Delicious. I know you're gonna want this recipe, so make sure that you head over to grandbabycakes.com and grab it. And don't forget to subscribe here so you can keep checking out these videos. I'm dropping the food nuggets. Come back. See you next week.